firstly, I have to check my motorcycle if everything is okay there.
Even without you here, still got hold on me. Even without you here, still got hold on me.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. It is 7:30 in the morning and I am in Brașov. I will have breakfast at 8 o'clock, so I still have some time to go there. But firstly, I have to check my motorcycle if everything is okay there. And then I will go to the old town and explore it a bit. So I would like to show you some sites, and I think that I will pick the right ones. So let's go and explore Brașov together. It was raining, guys, but this was expected. So the bike is okay.
upstream, are you with me? Feel it.
Hello, now I have it.
Yes.
Întreabă-l un pic pe ce limbă vorbește.
What language do you speak? 'Cause I
Slovenian.
heard- Slovenian. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Ljubljana is the capital.
Yes.
Az én szüleim is tanárok voltak, én tudom azt, hogy a problémás gyerekeket, én mindegyiket ismertem, hogy
you saw the view, it's wonderful from there. So I recommend visiting the Tampa cable line, and from the top you can make really great photos. And I am glad that I went here. So tomorrow I'm gonna proceed to Sinaia to see the Peles castle, and they say that that one is also a must when being in the area, so I'm gonna do it. Please do me a favor and subscribe, you know, it helps me a lot. And thanks for watching. Tomorrow, guys, the Peles castle. I just left Brașov, guys, and now I'm heading straight to Sinaia. If I would be with a car, I would have to walk all this road to the top,